about playing the show. So what I mean by that is if you have a PowerPoint and you now want to go full screen, like you were presenting it, and have access to the different tools, the pen, we talked about that in another video, these types of things, you would need to play the show. And to do that, there's several ways, which we'll talk about. So the first way is using the slideshow tab along the ribbon. So if I go to the slideshow tab, you can play it from the beginning, which means it's going to start at slide 1, or you can say from the current slide. So if I were to click on slide 3 and use the from beginning button, you'll notice it's going to go up and start at slide 1. Let's try that now. And there you have it. Now, if I'm presenting and I'd like to get out of presentation view, you can simply hit the escape key on your keyboard, and that's going to bring you back to your PowerPoint. So again, from beginning always jumps to slide 1. Whereas if I were to click on slide 3 and say from current slide, it's just going to go from whatever slide I have active. And escape to that. Now you can also use some fast buttons because chances are we might not be on the slideshow tab. So the first one I want to show you is down along the bottom of your screen, along your view buttons here, there's one called slideshow. And if I were to click on slide 1, click the slideshow button, there you go, it starts playing the show. In this case from slide 1. If I click on slide 3 and click the button, well, it starts from slide 3. So this button acts the exact same way that the from current slide button acts. Okay? The last way I want to show you how to start your show is using a keyboard shortcut. And the keyboard shortcut is F5. Now I want you to note something. I'm on slide 3. If I press F5, that is the same as saying play the show from the first slide. So play from the beginning. F5 always starts the show, but it always starts it from slide 1. Now, there's a lot more going on when we play the show, so things like presenter view, as well as potentially custom shows we want to set up. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos where we'll discuss those two features.